Foliated Metamorphic rocks, and we chose gneiss and slate to focus on. So gneiss is a high-grade metamorphic rock, meaning it's made at high pressure and high temperature. Slate is also metamorphic, however it's low-grade metamorphic, meaning it's low pressure and around 280 to 320 Celsius. And both contain some of the same minerals, including biotite, chlorite, and graphite. And they're also all formed by the two same types of weathering, which is biological and mechanical weathering. Gneiss is a medium to coarse grained rock, meaning it was cooled slowly underground and shows a good amount of crystals. It's also angular and hard. It holds bands which are visible, and finally it contains a lot of quartz and feldspar. Slate is made up of also a lot of quartz and iolite or muscovite, and it also contains a good amount of clay and volcanic ash.
So all of these are made through metamorphosis, which is why they are called what they're called. It kind of into that. The definition of metamorphosis is the process of transformation from an immature form to an adult form in two or more distinct stages. So for both of these, pretty much they all just get combined through a lot of heat, which causes that. And then for gneiss, as Max just kind of said, it's made of granite and other sedimentary rocks combining. But with these two combining, it requires a much higher temperature than slate does in general. And then also, as he said, slate is made of clay, shale, and volcanic ash, which obviously things like ash are very fragile, which gives it a very fine and kind of more brittle texture. So these are what they actually look like. As you can see with gneiss, you can see obviously kind of adding on to what other groups you've seen, you can see there's like more crystals and there's a lot more layers and stripes to it than slate, which just kind of adds to the amount of pressure when it to be formed. So you can find gneiss in Death Valley, but you can also go to the Rock Walk, which is in Rockland, California, at the Sierra College, which has a lot of different type of rocks and is really cool. And then there's also the Slate Range in the Mojave Desert, which is filled with slate. But slate overall is just also a very common type of rock, and as you can see, it's often used to like make houses and that type of stuff. So it's very common. Yeah. So,
Thanks.
So okay.
Questions?
Yeah.
Does anybody have any questions?
There you go.
Cool.
No one's got anything?